Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to fix Google Chromecast Can't load Android system. Your data may be corrupt, error. So, the first thing we can do is turn off Chromecast. After that, disconnect the Chromecast from the TV. Next, unplug the Chromecast's power cable. Wait for about 5 to 10 minutes before connecting it again to power and restart Chromecast. If the problem persists after the reboot, then factory reset is the last thing that you can do. To do this, while the Chromecast is plugged into the TV and powered, press and hold the button on the back of the Chromecast. For Chromecast with Google TV model. At this moment, the LED should start to blink yellow. When the LED light turns solid white, release the button, and the Chromecast should then reset. And you won't have to face recovery mode anymore. That's it guys, hope this useful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.